ito. Okay. First of all, it has been almost 10 years. We have been partnering, 10 years or 5 years, we have been partnering with Riverbanks, especially with Earth Savers Project. For 10 years, ang Marikina Dance Guild ay sumusuporta sa mga proyekto ng mga institusyon kamukha ng RACTED at ng Greenpeace na mga prime movers ng Save the Earth. At this point, I'd like to thank our new partners, our storytellers, Daniel Besaga. Okay. Daniel, you are from what school?
Dominican College.
Dominican College in
Laguna.
Laguna. So she came all the way from Laguna just to be with us. Now, another is Raven. Dilap from Barangay Elementary School.
Grade 6 school. Graduate.
Okay, graduate. These are two of our great storytellers for the afternoon. And we have two more singers, Michelle and Kim Labore. Okay, practically they have grown with Riverbanks, Fina. Si Kim started here at
RDC.
okay, in what age? 14. And then Michelle? 18 na. Okay. At this point, ang message ng Marikina Dance Guild sa Save the Earth, ang lahat ay responsibilidad natin tungkol sa, kaya tayo may ganitong weather changes na dapat summer na ito, pero naunang tag-ulan kesa sa summer because of our global warming, the changing of our, at ito ay responsibilidad ng bawat isa sa atin. As a way of closing and giving our support to Mother Earth, may we ask again our dancers, sana this time paulakan niyo naman. It is a way of showing oneness. Can we again have the UNESCO? That is UNESCO. Tayo rin, meaning tayo rin ang makakasolve ng problem. The peace came from Millennium Development Goal given to Marikina Dance Guild when we performed for the UNESCO at Freedom Park. Dancers, please ask the audience to be with us in this number.
Ba't ako ayaw niyayain?